What's going on, everybody? Matthew Thayer here, guys. Mattypips. Super excited to show you guys really quick how to utilize the pulse scanner while you're trading. So I'm going to walk you through, guys, in the back office how to first get to the pulse scanner, but then also look for potential trade opportunities that are there in the market. So guys, first thing you're going to want to do is open up Akashx. Once you are on the Akashx main page, over here on the left hand side, you just want to make sure you have scanners selected. Once you have scanners selected, go ahead and select Pulse. Now, once Pulse opens up, over here on the right-hand side will be all of the possible trade opportunities. Now, every 5 minutes, new trades will come out. Now, what you want to do is you just want to wait for the new ones to populate. Once they populate, guys, you just want to see, is it a buy or a sell? If you see a buy, guys, that means that it's predicting that price is going to go in the upward direction. If it says sell, like you can see here on GBP NZD, that is saying that the direction of the market is going to go down. So when you have this scanner up here, guys, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have your broker ready. Now, your broker, guys, can be anything that you want to use. We don't recommend any brokers here, guys. I'm going to demonstrate a trade here, guys, on pocket option. Now, over here on the left-hand side, this is where you can actually select the different currency pairs in the market. Now, you just want to make sure that if you're going to look for a potential trade opportunity, you want to have the right one selected. Looks like Euro JPY called out a 3-point buy. Now, for those of you guys that don't understand the points system quite yet, just know that 3 is good, 4 is great, 5 is an amazing trade setup. Now, you can take 3-point trades, guys, but you're not going to win every single one that you take. And you also don't win every single 5-point trade that you take, guys, but you're going to win more 5-point trades than when you take 3-point trades. Now, let's just say we were looking at USD/JPY, guys, and we wanted to take this buy right here. Well, what we would have wanted to do here, guys, is we would have wanted to make sure we had USD/JPY selected. We would have wanted to have in the amount section the amount of money that we want to risk on this specific setup. Now, my suggestion is don't risk anything more than 3 to 5% of your account per trade, because the goal here, guys, is to conservatively grow your account over time. So if we wanted to take this trade, we would have waited for price to come around this price point right here, which is 132.566. Now, price, guys, actually is not lining up right this second. The market did just reopen right around 5 p.m. So if you're watching this video, you want to trade right around 9 to midnight Central Time, or in the morning, anywhere between 9 and 12 p.m. Central Time, guys. So 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. Central Time, or 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time as well. But what we would have wanted to do here, guys, and this is actually a winning trade setup, we would have predicted that price was going to go up. Now, right now, it's not anywhere near where price actually is, and it's because the market just opened up. So a lot of times it moves very, very fast, but you would have looked for this price right here, guys, and you would have waited for it to reflect that right here, and then you would have pressed higher on that trade setup. Let's see the next ones that come out here, guys. New ones just came out. Let's look for one really, really quick. See if I can show you guys an example. So let's go ahead here, guys, on EuroCAD. Let's go ahead and select higher. So all that has to happen is price just has to go up. If we select higher, guys, that just means that this little blinking ball right here, guys, by the end of our expiration has to be higher than the green line. Now, the reason why we took the trade was because on Pulse we have a buy at 3 points. Now, again, 3 points is just a good trade setup. It's not a great trade setup. It's not an amazing trade setup. But as long as price does go up, we will win this trade. So I'm in this trade right now, guys. We got about 2 minutes and 19 seconds left. Price opened up, went down just a little bit. Now it's gone up, guys, like we thought, and it's going in the right direction. We are right now winning this trade. Let's check out the scanner. Yep, you guys can see here it's a green now candle. Green means it went up, red means it went down. So we are actually deep in profits right now, guys. I risked $100 to make $58. So I'll actually make $158 on this specific trade setup right here, guys. So this is how the Pulse scanner works. You just open it up, you look for a 3-point trade or higher, and then you go with the corresponding direction that the scanner is telling you to take. Right now, this is where I entered. This is where price is. Once this little blinking light here, guys, crosses this line right here, we will win the trade and we will collect our funds. Now, you could press this higher button, guys, as many times as you want, but I would really only take one opportunity per signal that comes out on the Pulse scanner. You guys can see over here on the right hand side how much time you have left. I have 25 seconds left until this trade is going to clear. You can see how much you've risked. You can see the pair that you have selected. You can see your total payout here, guys. I have $158 payout, guys. We got 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is exactly how the Pulse scanner works. You just got to open it up, look for a 3-point trade or higher, go over to your platform, select the corresponding direction, and 3 minutes later, about 60 to 70% of the time, you're going to win those trades. Now, you're not going to win every single time, so make sure you use proper risk management here, guys. And then as you learn the skill sets through the academy, through my academy, you will become a better and better trader. You will actually become a professional at this specific style, guys. And then your life is in your hands. Your accounts is in your hands, and you really can dictate what your life looks like. So guys, thank you so much. But that is the Pulse scanner here, guys. Happy trading.